Here we go again, here we come again. The ultra-wide and ultra-long 50T direct cooling block ice machine is being shipped. On March 24, 2023, another 50-ton, 50 kg, block direct cooling ice machine was shipped from the factory. The total length of the machine is more than 18 meters, and the largest flatbed truck cannot be loaded. We use a high-altitude crane to directly put the machine on the trailer above. The bottom is padded and reinforced before shipment. This year, domestic customers in China basically choose machines with large capacity. This is also the advantage of our factory, which has rich experience in design and construction in super large projects. Every time we make a shipment, we can't restrain our inner happiness. In addition to thanking our customers for their trust in us, what's more, the hard work of the entire factory has finally paid off. Looking forward to the production video sent back by the engineer after installation and debugging.